The Effect House workspace is made up of a title bar and 7 different panels. The title bar is topmost portion of the workspace. It contains the following function. Home takes you back to the Effect House home screen. Asset Library. Open up Asset Library where you can browse and download 3D and 2D objects, materials, filters and more. Visual Scripting Panel Toggle. Hide the Visual Scripting panel from the view when deselected. Preview Panel Toggle. Hides the Preview panel from view when deselected. Quick Access Bar. Display commonly used object for easy access. Click to update. Update your effect to reflect the latest changes. Current effect size. Reports the current size of your effect. Effects must remain within 8 MB limit. Preview in TikTok. Generates a unique QR code that you can scan to preview the effect in TikTok. To scan the QR code, open the TikTok app on your device. Go to Profile, tap Add Friends, and then tap the scanner icon. Submit. Opens a window with a submission form. Fill out the requirement information and complete the form to submit your effect. The Hierarchy panel is where you can see all the objects you have added to your project. Click the Add button in the Hierarchy panel to explore all the built-in objects. The Asset panel is where you can add an original or built-in texture, material, 3D object, and audio. The panel stores all the elements you may need to build an effect. The Scene panel shows a 3D or 2D view of all the objects added to an effect. You can manipulate objects and control the view here. The Preview panel mimics a phone, allowing you to see how your effect will look when used in TikTok. Your effect is applied to a selected preview video. View and edit a selected objects, components and properties in the Inspector panel. You can also import assets for material and texture properties from your computer or asset library here. The Visual Scripting panels allow you to control how elements of your effect behave or make your effect interactive. Visual Scripting panel is similar to text scripting like JavaScript or C++, but is executed through visual blocks called nodes. The nodes are linked together with connectors to create a path of logic. Material editors allow you to build custom material from scratch. It is hidden by default. You can access Material Editor by clicking the Add button in the Asset panel, going to Custom Material and then select Empty Material. You can apply custom materials to 3D objects to make them appear realistic or create camera filters that alter the overall look of your effect. In today's class, we have covered all the necessary information about the Effect House interface. Now in the next class, I will teach you how to create effects and some special nodes. See you in the next class.